Welcome everyone. Today we will start new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Chapter 7 in your NCERT book. Okay. And this topic of coordinate geometry we did in class 9 also. Okay. So we will try to recapitulate very quickly those points which we did in class 9. Okay. In class 9 what we did about the coordinate axes. Okay, and Cartesian plane. Okay, let me explain you what are the coordinate axes. Okay, you know that there is two lines. One is horizontal line. This is called x-axis. Okay, you know that. And this vertical line is called y-axis. So I am writing this. This is x. O, the point of intersection between x-axis and y-axis is called origin. So it is the starting point. Okay. So x, O, x dash, it is called x-axis, and y, O, y dash is called y-axis. Okay. And you know that in coordinate axis the value of x, okay, the value of x is called abscissa, A-B-S-C-I-S-S-A, abscissa, and value of y is called ordinate. Okay, together abscissa and ordinate will represent a point. Okay, simple example. Okay, you know that this right side of the x-axis, this is the positive direction. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, this left side is the direction of negative of abscissa. It is negative of x-axis. If y is positive, then it will go upward. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if y is negative, then it will come downward. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, in this way. Okay, so in this way we have to plot a point on this graph. This is called graph of coordinate axes. This horizontal line x o x dash is called x-axis, and this vertical line y o y dash is called y-axis. Okay, and you know that this plane, okay, this Cartesian plane have been divided into 4 parts by these coordinate axes. So this is called first quadrant. First quadrant. I think you know this. Okay. This is second quadrant. And this is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. And you know that when we represent the point, suppose one example 3, 4. Suppose point A. Suppose point A is 3, 4, where this x, this is called ordered pair. Okay, and see the value of x is this first point, that is 3, is called abscissa. Okay, and the second value, that is this 4, that is called ordinate. Okay, this will represent x and this will represent y. Now see 3, 4, both are positive. So x is 3, means positive direction, means it will go on that side, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and y is plus 4, means upward, 1, 2, 3, 4. So suppose this point A, 3, 4. Okay, you know that this plotting of this, I think you did from class 8. In class 9 also you did, no? So this is the point A, 3, 4. So this 3 is called abscissa and 4 is called ordinate. Now what is abscissa? Now you see abscissa means this distance, means distance of the point from the y-axis. This is very important. Abscissa is the value, or it is a distance of the point, given point from the y-axis. It's called abscissa. Okay, so this distance, this 3 is the distance, 3, this also 3 units is the distance of this point A from y-axis. It means that abscissa is the distance of the point from the y-axis. Same way, ordinate is 4. So 4 means, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 means this will also 4. It means that ordinate is the distance of the point from the x-axis. It's called ordinate. Okay, abscissa means, again I am repeating, distance of the point from the y-axis, and ordinate means distance of the point from the x-axis. So in this way we can plot. Suppose this point B, this is -3 plus 4. Then -3 means not on that direction, this direction. 1, 2, 3, -3, and plus 4 means upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will come almost here. Okay. 4 means it will come here. See. X is -3. So first value is abscissa. So from this origin starting point, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is ordinate. It is plus, so it will go upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So suppose this is point B, -3, 4. In this way, suppose minus is there, then x is minus, y is minus, that will come down. Okay, so in this way we can plot the points, and you know about this first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and the plotting of this point is also just I am recapitulating those points you did in class 9. Okay, and you know that what is the use of coordinate axis in mathematics. You know that any points, to locate any points, we should know the concept of coordinate. Suppose one thing, on the map, when we use the Google map to search any point or any place, okay, so on that also you see the concept of coordinate geometry is used. Actually, you know that whenever any address is required, or if you want to go to your friend's house, if you don't know the address, then you know that you have to locate by taking the reference point. Suppose your friend's house is behind the hospital, that means that hospital will be the reference point, and you should know the distance of your friends from that hospital. Okay, north direction or east direction, like this. So all those points, all are the points. To locate the points, we have to use the coordinate geometry. So here we are plotting x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so these are the very simple things. Now in class 10 standard, very important thing, that is how to find the distance between two points. Okay, that is called distance formula. What? Distance formula. So distance formula means, suppose, okay, that also I am explaining you by taking the coordinate axis. This is x, origin O, x dash, y O, y dash. Suppose this is point A and this is point B. So this coordinate is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Okay, suppose this distance, we need this distance. Okay, so just you plot this on x-axis, from here also x-axis. So this is the distance of y-axis, this is also the distance of y-axis. A, B, we give this point as C. Okay, now you see this distance is since x1. Okay, so this distance is x1 and this distance is x2. Same way, this distance is y1, you see, this is also y1, and this whole distance is y2. It means that this distance is, okay, now you see, can we write this distance as x2 minus x1? Yes, so this will also x2 minus x1. Same way, this distance is y2 minus y1. Okay, so this distance is x2 minus x1 is this distance, and this distance is this whole y2 minus y1 is this distance, and this is 90 degrees. Okay, now see, therefore in triangle ABC, we know AC equals to x2 minus x1 and BC is equals to y2 minus y1. Therefore distance, okay, we know that AC square equals to AB square. According to figure, AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square by, it is Pythagoras theorem. By which theorem? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now you see AB square equals to AC means this x2 minus x1 whole square. BC means y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we need only AB, but here AB square is there. So taking square root from both the sides. Okay, taking square root from both the sides like this, then what we will get? See, distance that AB equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. Distance between the point AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is very important in the syllabus of class 10 in coordinate geometry. The first part is this distance formula. So this is very important formula. Okay, so you have to learn this formula and giving this in the box. Okay, so x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square under root is the distance between the 2 points. Suppose 2 points are A and B. Okay.